In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Instagram Reels using Weavy AI. By the end, you'll know how to start a project, pick the right model, prompt effectively, generate multiple versions, polish the edit, and upload for the best results. Start by opening Weavy AI and creating a new project. On the dashboard, click Create Project. You'll see two great starting options. Image to video gives you the most control, perfect when you already have a reference image or a specific look you want to guide the motion. Text to video is ideal for fast idea generation when you want to move quickly from concept to visuals. Choose the one that fits your goal. Next, pick the model, which is crucial for Instagram Reels. Kling 3 excels at human motion, influencers, and talking characters, and it's a strong bet for viral content. Cdance 2.0 shines for cinematic reels like beauty, travel, or sleek product shots. Pixverse V6 is great for fast, trendy, TikTok-style edits. If you're unsure, go with Kling 3. It's the safest pick for Reels virality. Now, craft your prompt. Think of it as your director's note. For an influencer-style reel, try AI influencer walking in city street, natural smiling, soft cinematic lighting, subtle head movement, handheld camera, Instagram reel style. For a product-focused clip, luxury product rotating slowly, studio lighting, smooth 360 camera orbit, clean background, commercial style, high detail. For an aesthetic vibe, cinematic sunset beach scene, slow motion waves, golden hour lighting, smooth camera pan, dreamy aesthetic, viral Instagram style. Use the formula subject plus motion plus camera plus style plus platform vibe. Keep it specific but concise. If you're using image to video, connect your reference image. Paste your prompt, confirm the model selection, and click generate. Let Weavy render your first pass. Don't stop at one. Generate 3 to 5 variations. Change only one thing at a time, camera movement, lighting, or expression and motion, so you can clearly compare results and pick the most scroll-stopping version. Once you've downloaded from Weavy, edit the reel in CapCut, Filmora, or directly in the Instagram editor. Add trending music and align key moments to the beat. Add captions with a strong hook in the first 2 seconds to grab attention. Use simple transitions to keep flow and tasteful effects like a light zoom, a subtle shake, or a soft glow to enhance emphasis. Remember, those first 2 seconds matter most for virality. Finally, upload to Instagram Reels. Use relevant hashtags in your niche, post at a peak time, evenings often perform best, and keep your captions short and engaging. That's it, you're ready to create high-impact Reels with Weavy AI.